Do your friends and family mock your ambitions of becoming a real estate investor? Meet Sawyer, a father of two and a husband to his beautiful wife, Helen. Sawyer makes $100,000 per year at his W-2 job. And like you, he is frustrated with the lack of financial success he has built for him and his family. Sawyer discovers that 90% of millionaires become that way through real estate investing. But when he brings the idea of real estate investing to his close friends and extended family, they do nothing but mock him. In his continued pursuit, Sawyer joins the W-2 Capitalist Mastermind, where he is greeted with open arms by experienced investors willing to guide and help him along the way. Within a year, Sawyer has acquired multiple rental properties, branching into flipping and looking to partner on larger apartment complexes, all while still being successful at his W-2 and being present for his family. Are you looking to surround yourself by like-minded investors who build multiple streams of income through real estate investing? Then join your new REI family at w2capitalist.com/mastermind.